Do you know that you can make money from CoinMarketCap? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn money for free on CoinMarketCap. Now, we know CoinMarketCap as a platform where we can do fundamentals on cryptocurrencies, like checking their price, checking their market capitalization, checking their 24-hour trade volume, checking out the exchanges where we can buy and sell them and all that. But CoinMarketCap now has a feature called the Earn Futures, where you are rewarded a cryptocurrency by answering very simple questions about the cryptocurrency from a very short video they're going to show you. It's as simple as that. Now, what do you need to be able to earn this way? You need a Binance user ID from a verified Binance account. I'm going to show you how you get that. And you need to create an account with CoinMarketCap. You just put your email and that is all. So what I'll do now is to show you the step-by-step process to earn this free coin. So let's get to it. Now, this is Binance, right? You have to create an account with Binance. If you have not done so, there's a link in the description. Make sure you use that link to create an account with Binance. So you create an account with Binance and you verify it. Once it's verified, to get the Binance user ID, you go to this human icon here. Then you click on the email. It's going to load up. And once it loads up, you will see the user ID here. Okay, that is how you locate the Binance user ID. The same thing with the app. If you go to the app, this human icon at the top left corner, if we click on it, you also see the ID here. So you can get the ID from the Binance web platform or the app, whichever one you want to use. So now let's go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap.com, that's all. When you get here, you have to create an account with CoinMarketCap, all right? You just click on Create Account. It says create an account or sign in, whichever. So you enter your email address and password, verify that you're not a robot, and sign up. That is all. And then you go to your email to confirm your email address. Because I've created an account already, I just click on login here. Alright, enter my details and login. Now that I'm logged on, I have to go to the Learn feature. So here, I go to Earn. Under Learn, you have Earn. So I'll click on it. Now, this is where I can earn. I can earn from this coin, Nexus Network. I can earn CKB. I can earn 1 inch. I can earn Graph, GRT, and Sand. So these projects, you can see live beside it. It means that you can still earn from these ones. But these ones here, like Orchid, OXT, you can no longer earn from them. But you can still learn about them. Okay? Let me go up, back up. So if I click token distribution status, I can still get more information. So I can earn from these 4 coins here. But Orchid and the rest of them, it is finished. The learning or the reward process for this coin is finished. What I'm trying to say is that this particular section keeps on updating. So with time, more coins are added that you can earn from. Now let's go and earn one of this coin. So to get started, I can click on get started. It will bring me down to this particular coin. So to earn this coin, Nexus Network, CKB, I click on Earn CKB. And one thing, I didn't tell you why you need your Binance user ID. When you enter your Binance user ID, the coin you earn is going to be sent to your Binance account. That is why you need to enter your Binance user ID. So this project is in collaboration with Binance. So when you come here, what I do is to click on see market stats. So I right click and open in a new tab. I just want to show you something. Now, this is what it's going to show you. Where I'm interested is in a part where they said about the coin. Okay, yeah, about Nexus Network. So from here to here, I need to read this because I might need some information here to answer the question. Now, back to the learning page, I have to click on get started. So these are the 3 videos I'm going to watch: lesson 1, lesson 2, and lesson 3. So what I will do is to click on watch video. You see the videos. Lesson 1 is just a 2-minute video. Lesson 2 is a 1-minute video. Lesson 3 is a 1-minute video. What I do next is to click on the video to watch it. All right. Now I've watched the video. All right. I want to go, once you're done watching the video, you go down and click on take the quiz. So let's take the quiz. Since I've already answered the question, I'll just go ahead and take the quiz. I've already gone through the video rather. So I'll go and take the quiz. Okay, next. Verify you're not a robot. I click on next. I agree with the coin market's earn terms and conditions. Then enter the email address associated with your CoinMarketCap app. So I'll just do that. Then provide the 8-digit Binance user ID. So I go to Binance and copy that user ID. Paste it here. Then next. So what is the total supply of KB tokens? You can click here to find out. So I'll just go quickly and answer all these questions. So I'm done answering the questions now. Then I click on submit. If I feel I didn't get any of the question, I can click on previous to actually answer the question again. So once I'm done, I click on submit. I'm not a robot. Then submit form. So that is all you need to do. I know you might be asking questions like, okay, let's go and answer some questions, some frequently asked questions you might have. Let me go to token distribution status and go down. So let's look at some frequently asked questions. The token distribution can take up to a month after completing the quiz. So this is active. It is when it is finished. Okay, like they said, next token distribution is on February 24th. So if you answer this question before February 24th, you're likely to receive your token by February 24th. Then complete the quiz successfully by correctly answering all of the questions. Participate with Binance KYC verified account before taking the quiz. So these are the more like the things you have to look at before you answer the question to be sure that you earn your coin when the token distribution starts. So that is exactly how you earn free coin on CoinMarketCap. Another question you might be asking is, okay, this coin I'm earning, what is the worth of this coin? So let's take the Nexus Network token, which is the CKB. Now, the CKB, the number of tokens that will be distributed is about 426 tokens, and the dollar value is very little. It's about $3.26, $3.26. Yeah, that's about the value of the 426 token that will be sent to you. You might say it's small, but let's look at the potential with this example. When Binance distributed the TWT token, which is a trust wallet token, everybody had 100 TW token. You should have yours unless you didn't claim it. Now, when the token hit the exchange, it was worth $16. That is, the 100 tokens was worth $16. Okay, but right now it's worth about $64, and this just happened within a space of 2 months. And $64 in Nigerian currency is about 30,000 naira. So it's more like getting 30,000 naira for free. And this is just getting started. So let's see, what do you think it can do? What if it does? So the TWT token, for example, did 4 times the value. What if it does 10 times the value or 100 times the value? You can never tell if you leave it up to a year, up 2 years, or if you just want to leave it there to grow. So the potential of the value of this token, you cannot, you shouldn't underestimate the value of what it could get to. And moreover, you are just getting this for free. Now, what I did for you is, apart from, in case you're not sure of the answers to these questions, what I did is I created a blog post where I wrote all the answers to these questions down for you. So I'm giving you an Expo, if I should put it that way. But that doesn't mean you should not go and learn about the coin or watch the video, because if you don't do that, the essence is defeated. But what I did for you is just to, okay, go and confirm if your answer is right or if your answer tallies with mine from the blog post I've written. The link to that blog post is in the description box. I'll keep on updating that blog post to include new tokens or new end features or new tokens that questions might be asked on with the question. So that is exactly how you earn free money on CoinMarketCap. So what I want you to do now is to like, if you've not liked this video, so you can get some more people, and you should subscribe to this channel if you have not, and click on the bell icon and share the video, show some love. Now we have about almost 6,000 subscribers by the time of this video. Help us to get to 10,000 and 20,000. So just share the video so that it can reach more people. And that said, I will see you in the next video, a very interesting video. So see you guys. Bye.